Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete the virus from your Android device. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the antivirus app. Choose the best for you. I'm always using the Avast. So we have to launch it. Tap on the Get Started. Click Next and skip. Skip for now. And now we have to close two ads. The first one and the second one. Now choose the continuous free and tap on the start scan. Now we have to grant a permission, so tap on the allow. Click the switcher next to allow access to manage all files and go back to the Avast. Choose the scan time. If you're looking for the viruses, always use the deep scan. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment and be safe. Goodbye.